How to fix Spotify crashing on Spotify. Today guys, I have to show you and have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or application, and here you will find all the application that you have on your phone. So you will search just for Spotify only, and when you found it, just open it like this and go directly to storage, and then go to clear data and click OK, and go back and click on for stop and click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.